Everything seems to be functional anyway. However, no signs of life on the monitor, and the LED indicates to me that we've got the same issue. Well, sadly, we are switching back to the Ryzen 3. The Ryzen 5 5600X, I think I've been calling it a Ryzen 9 by mistake, but the 5600X just doesn't want to work with this board. So the Frankencomputer locked in at a 3695 on the Cinebench. To compare, my normal rig I use for everything else is just over 6800, which is also not incredible compared with some of these other processors on here, but I do run a Core i5 system that's a couple of years old as my normal, so really not too bad. Ultimately, I think this is a fairly comparable system and will make a nice complement for future stuff.